One. So, I am Professor Dr. Anurag Paliwal. I am Professor Dr. Anurag Paliwal, working with Technocrat Institute of Corporate and Technology. And today I will take the topic of spectroscopy, which is the part of your engineering chemistry part. So first of all, I will explain the definition of spectroscopy. It is the science in which we study the interaction between magnetic radiation with matter. So when the electromagnetic radiations passes through on the metal or matter, so it will there are so many changes occurs. So this interaction between the electromagnetic radiation and matter is called spectroscopy. There are so many type of spectroscopy which is useful in a very recent year in order to invent new molecule, new compound, and for the industrial purpose. Infrared spectroscopy, ultraviolet spectroscopy, electron spin resonance spectroscopy, NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. So, infrared spectroscopy and ultraviolet spectroscopy are in our syllabus. So, when we use the source of light is infrared, and in order to analyze, in order to detect the unknown compound, unknown element in a solution, in a mixture, we use IR and UV. So in this process, we take the sample in a test tube. The sample which is to be analyzed is kept in a test tube, and the infrared light passes through it, and we will see and we will experiment that some part of light will absorb, some part of light reflect, and some part of light passed through from this solution. So this setup is called infrared spectrophotometer, and this all process is called infrared spectroscopy. So when we pass the IR radiation on the sample which is kept in a test tube, so some light is passed, so some intensity of light decreases. Okay, so we will see the how much light amount is how much intensity is decreases. So some detector are also the part of this spectrophotometer, and some amplifier and recorder is also connected with this spectroscopy. So in short, the all process is when we emitted the IR or UV light on the sample, some light is absorbed, some reflected, and some passed through, and detector is detect if the detector is unable to detect, then amplifier is used in order to amplify the signals which is coming from the detector. These amplified signals reach to the recorder, and the recorder will form the graph, and with the help of graph we can predict, we can analyze which type of compound or unknown element present in the sample. So this is called the infrared or ultraviolet spectroscopy, and the various applications of IR and UV are in the field of pharmaceutical industry, in the field of environmental science, in the field of farming. So with the help of IR and UV we can predict the cis form and transform. With the help of IR and UV we can predict the impurities present in the solution. which are used in a pharmaceutical industry in order to manufacturing the various type of drugs or injection. So IR and UV are the very important, vital and most popular technique which are used in a industries. Yes sir.
Done.
Thank you very much.
अब मैं इसको
भैया नहीं नहीं